Good afternoon, team. Thank you for joining our project kickoff meeting. Today, we begin developing our mobile banking app designed specifically for Generation Z users who value speed, simplicity, and authentic digital experiences. Before we start, here's our agenda for today. Team introductions, second, project direction and objectives. Next, there's department insights and key challenges and next steps and task assignments. Our aim is to align everyone on expectations and ensure we are ready to move forward smoothly. Desi, please begin with your introduction.
Thank you, Sri Ayu. Hello, everyone. I'm Desi, and I will be leading the digital marketing division for this project. My responsibilities include designing our online strategy, establishing our brand tone, and managing social media engagement. I will also work closely with UE and UX to ensure the visual and messaging remain consistent, modern, and appealing to Gen Z preference. They include shaping our content style, identifying sustainable influencer, analyzing digital trends, and planning product awareness campaigns. One major challenge from my department perspective is ensuring our marketing content remains truly authentic. Gen Z can immediately recognize when a brand feels overly corporate or insecure. They expect real, transparent communication, so we must avoid generic messaging. Instead, we will need to adopt a conversational tone and relatable visual and highlight real user benefit. I'm excited to work with all of you to create campaigns that genuinely resonate with this audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Desi, for the insightful explanation. Now, let's continue with Farah.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Farah, and I will be overseeing the financial planning aspect of our mobile banking project. My core responsibility include managing the project budget, forecasting long-term financial sustainability, monitoring expenses, and ensure that all the development, marketing, and operational activity remain with the allocated budget. I'll also be preparing financial model that allow us to understand the cost of each feature and how it's aligned with user needs. One challenge I anticipate is balancing cost efficiency with offering a banking experience that appeals strongly to Gen Z. This demographic prefer long cost or even zero fee financial service, convenient digital transaction, and high value feature such as smart spending insight, ensuring we can deliver this benefit while staying within budget will require careful coordination with the engineering, design, and marketing teams. I'm confident that with good teamwork, we can develop a financial sustainable product that still meet Gen Z expectation.
Thank you, Farah. Now, let's hear from Leah.
Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, I am Lia and I will leading the software engineering team for this initiative. My main responsibilities include supervising the back-end system development, ensuring IT security features, implementing the app core functionalities, and integrating the app with our existing banking system. I will also be coordinating with UI UX to transfer design concept into smooth functional interfaces while maintaining his performance and reliability. A significant challenge for engineering in implementing advanced security technologies, such as biometric authentication, fraud prevention system, and system transfer capabilities without compromising the app speed or ease of use. Gen Z user demand both strong security and quick performance. So we must strike the right balance. I will ensure the infrastructure is optimized to handle transaction and settlements navigation. I look forward to working closely with all departments so we can building a modern, secure, and efficient mobile banking experience.
Thank you, Leah. And finally, Amanda.
Hi everyone, I am Amanda, the UI or UX designer responsible for shaping the overall look and feel of the mobile banking app. My primary responsibilities include designing the visual layout, crafting user flows, creating wireframes, and ensuring the interface remains intuitive, aesthetically pleasing, and tailored to Gen Z preference. I will also work on personalization features, accessibility consideration, and navigation structure to ensure that users can interact with the app effortlessly. One challenge from the design perspective is creating an interface that maintains a minimalist and clean appearance, something Gen Z love while still delivering the necessary information and insight. They want fast interaction, clear visual, and personalized data like spending analysis. So balancing simplicity with functionality will be key. I'm planning to share an early set of mood boards and initial wireframes next week. I'm excited to collaborate with marketing and engineering to ensure consistency between our visual identity and the user experience.
Thank you, Amanda, and thank you for everyone. Here's a brief summary of our mission and Phase 1 focus. Project mission: create a secure, simple, and modern mobile banking app for Gen Z. Phase 1 priorities: there's define key features, build early brand identity, draft initial UI or UX, prepare budget model, and coordinate across all teams. Any final points or coordination needed before we close?
Yes, I would like to coordinate with Amanda regarding to our visual branding direction. If I can review the early mood board, it will help me elegant or champion tone, color palettes, and creative direction.
Of course, I am aiming to share the mood board by Wednesday. I will include color schemes, topography ideas, and layout inspiration so you can integrate them into your marketing draft.
I did also apresiasi receiving the early UI layout. The IL have helped me plan the app's technical architecture and decide which framework or system the prefer.
And once I received the list of proposed feature from Lia and the design of overview from Amanda, I finally or preliminary cost projection for this pass.
Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Please maintain open communication throughout the week. For Amanda, we'll submit the first UI or UX mood board by Wednesday. And for Leah, we'll prepare the core feature draft. Desi will begin outlining campaign themes. And Farah will develop the preliminary budget model based on the feature and design inputs. Well, meet again next Monday at 2 p.m. Thank you for your hard work and commitment. This meeting is officially included. Thank
Thank,
you.
thank
Thank you
you.
all.